Yeah. 1 2 1 2.
1 2 1 2.
We got Masta Killa in the house.
Yeah.
See if I can snatch some bars on a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and Tony Touch, we go way back, and that's a fact.
Come on.
We go way back, and that's a fact.
y'all.
Be a law person of Jamil Ari. Wanna spark a brain, shake up the world like Ali. Geniusly the greatest of all time. For one rhyme and one mic, blessed to make the people unite. One common cause. Your homes in every ghetto with Persian carpet floors. Touch every shore, heal every sore. Perform world tours, bringing food, feeding the poor. El Salvador, DR, Puerto Rico. Stop the raping of our women in the Congo. And stop the killing of our brothers in Chicago. Me and Tone Touch go way back. That's a fact. That's a fact,
y'all.
Me and Tone Touch go way back. That's a fact.
Say what?
That's
Come on.
Me and Tone Touch go way back. That's a fact.
Come on.
Yo.
Whoa. Whoa. See? Look, all gangsters and fellow MCs we now meet. The threat is now an actual fact, and that's the least. The lion paw ripping your jaw, this man will face peace. You may not have heard or seen my murder one team. Some things best untold, crime related. I am who I am, so fuck it if sun stuck it. We all later play to the best. Sip the fine grapes, my rugged lifestyle to survive. I don't apologize, hustle is the road I chose. There's no compromising when the guns is drawn, shots fire. All my killers is fam, nothing higher. Y'all wire for sound before the things blast. Wait for the train to pass, man face down. We straight from the murder capital town. It goes down daily on the regular. Dressed in assassin attire, the bulletproof rap. Yo, no hooks, I'ma pass it, no looks. The rust jokes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh shit, now I thought my mic was all the way off.
Chip.
Peace. This is the motherfucking high chief, Jamil Ari. I represent the Wu-Tang Clan, kid. Tony Touch, 50 MCs. Wu Killer B collaboration for the nation. Yo. Intriguing to the ear, but bitter to the heart as I begin to take part in the art of dart throwing. Starring the Wu-Tang sportsmen. Day 2 breaks, it's a stormy Monday. My ninjas lay in ravines and ditches. Underneath shrubs and leaves, they breathe through underwater reefs. The enemy walks above, I remain subterranean in mud. Offshore banks, tanks approach the location. Bumped by the circle of death formation. Communication lines are sniped from these low altitude strikes. Enlarged in helmets, a shrapnel fragments shell. Inhale these highly venomous thoughts that I propel through the north facility. The city must suffer at the hand of the chief's command. Volts are sent at 3-minute intervals. The heat intenses, deadening the power from electrical fences. Defenses are down. Now let's materialize through the sound, revealing the skill that causes the ground until feel the tension. Blistering quills are scorching. You can never stomach the eruption of God dimension. Science is the study of all things. Knowledge my sword swing. Guns go off from the east wing. It's a blessing to deliver this lesson. Who's resting? You've been summoned to awaken a nation of sleeping giants who are clients to the devil's civilization. Migration expands my plan to the maximum capacity. Kill an army, nothing can hold we from launching out over the earth, then disperse in the triple darkness. Niggas return unscathed, at ease and as you were. But the thought of not being able to breathe and leave these worldly possessions have MCs fret to step in my direction.
Yeah, I recruit young cats from Sparfit, Brownsville knockout artists, best style murderer, East New York terrorist, Flatbush yardman, East 95th and Clarkson. I woke from my rest and I began to write for y'all. Truth from a speck of light, bringing relief to those that hunger for the food of thought. Cause this is the life I chose. Fools go tempt many and led them astray. Others watched it go down, was afraid to speak on it. Some never recovered from the mental enslavement from arcane greatness the world wasn't ready to face. Wicked brother Cal, all of them come with their faces painted with smiles, and they came from air, land, and ocean. I watched the sides of good and evil being chosen. Everything seemed to move in slow motion. People ran frantic as herds of wild steed. Their minds like rabbits, souls like deer. fear. I felt the sea radiation melt the eyes from their heads. I fled seeking cover to find none. Trying for selection, played by RZA. Building crumble, missiles and bullets whistle. The earth rumble. Water-filled tunnels quickly from both ends. Trucks drop from bridges that sway from high winds. Trees buckle like knees. Continue in the build and break the seventh seal from the sky. Fiery hell trains derail. Horsemen hooded with sheets shake the concrete. Roar the lion, voice thunder when I speak. Yo, let me be easy on that bullshit.
Yeah, representing for the rules, the ninth disciple. You know what I'm saying? Coming at ya. The Masta style, I rap ya. Representing by the GZA. Be on the lookout for this master killer and suspect that fills more body bags than departments and projects. And as far as the coroners know, the autopsy show it was a Shaolin blow that peeps up like a driving brake show enamel. Beyond Space is a perfect fucking example. Sleep on the woo, get cursed by the woo. I scared it out of you, I can't assume with the flow. MCs worship this like an icon. Bear hugger with the lips of a python. What? Niggas roll up on the scene trying to scheme. Boy, to say you got more boards, boarding like a mobster, taxi, like Jimmy Hopper. Go ahead and fuck for your stunt, and I'll knock her. You and your bitch out with no explanation. Then I get ya, kick them out for some.
Some curses in there, kid.
Yo, you so patient. They sat there in the aisles and waited for the testimony. Hungry for a statement from the one and only. Thirsty for the ceremony at hand. True woo, die-hard fans. Now look how we rock, make them freestyle drop. Old school like the WAP. My granddaddy used to do this dance called a slop. I keep it hip-hop for y'all, we don't stop. Got ladies by the flock, no safety on the Glock. Stop, look and listen when the semi-auto pop your neck. Mock with the rope, who can match palm? I'm strong as a nuclear bomb, dangerously armed. Have you not prepared yourself? You've been warned. Gunshot to the informer, killer bee swarm, caught him on the corner, Livonia reported missing. Found him in a fetal position, shot twice, armed with the rocket, blindfolded target, dead it on arrival, suspenseful, killer bee killed, past the rifle. DJ White Loud. Gotta have hip hop music, can't live without it. Niggas wanna see you without it, I wouldn't doubt it. You better stay bout it, on to the break, face on fist. Woo Gambino for life, you heard of noodles. East New York militant, ready to kill. Still drop universal truth when I build. Make time stand still in the rain to still. Blue breath in his body. Taught her how to take aim and cock shotty. Simi Gay spray the page. Rough cut Timberland stuff, kick your teeth. Back in the days.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You want some more of that shit?
She said, Masta more. Masta more, you make the heart skip a beating. I miss your warm greeting when we not speaking. How's Ellie for the weekend sound? Blue the rhythm for blue the Nero shopper spree Rezadero. Blue the Nero shopper spree Rezadero. Beretta 9, come on, you're I'm a hero. Flash the 9 and you gonna get.
Her name was Destiny, yo, I met her at a show, right? Fly as shit, didn't seem like the whole type. 21, she grown and free for the whole night. She got a man, but he won't even know like. I give her dance, she say I don't get down like, yeah, okay man, yo, I heard that shit the other night. So that's your plan, let with me, that sounds bright. At 12 a.m, I'm no, but it sounds like probably the lobby, yo, definitely the room. And we won't be watching TV, but I keep you in tune. And I ain't all that easy, must be in her perfume, they're saying that she needs me.
Cause pussy ain't nothing but a skinny or bone. You can suck it, you can fuck it, you can leave it alone. 25 cents be the regular price. 50 cents, you can fuck it twice. 75 cents, you can fuck it to the bone. $1 worth, you can take it home. She might get crazy, just suck my bone. Some things we know and some things is unknown. Yo, for the night. We drunk like a motherfucker. I done had 2 bottles of this red shit. You know what I mean? Shit, you know what I mean? 13.9% alcohol, 10% grapes.
Beretta 9, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Yo, check the, yo, check it into my mental, yo, check what I've been through. Still going through it, yo, heaven and hell, bite on my nails. Season of a fell, stressed out. This might hang up this mic a while the fuck out, but duty forbids me. This don't tip me, cause I make it a song and beat your ass to it. Read this VH1 in it, yo, ain't no fun in it. My goose got a big asshole, I got a gun in it. Life in a bottle, dipping out of lanes, full throttle. What's up with that nigga B9, yo? It's called hunger pains. Still hopping the train, feeling what's wrong, nothing. Trying to maintain. insane. Lying, ready to break down and start crying. Ready to take the iron and start firing. Every time I hear a siren, people know me be admiring. Cause who I be and what I do, but only if you knew. We got the guns, the soldiers, the motherfucking ammo. I'm up to my neck in camo. Dirty rapper, we rap, kid, I'm back. But always been here, been there, and we return to the hood, the city, the dirt. Ain't no whistle while I work, only these missiles. They hit you where we're hurt, like your arm laid. Bitch, try relative. Yo, calm down, take a sedative.
Yeah. Another one. Yo, we can do this shit all night. Come on, B-Nizzle, what up?
Yo.
What's up, Killah?
That shit is loud, yo. Yo, it's the kid with the iron palm. Knock your ass out calm. Thought I meant no harm. Roll with Killah on. We stay on with diligence. Up the Berettas. Fully auto. Rapper fire. You know my motto. The spite might serve you up mass strikes. Fuck up your life. Knock out your lights. We don't play, nigga. Yo, it's the first platoon. Night and noon. Legion of doom. Bastards the wound. Type of niggas that'll bust at the moon. So go in front and a stunt. And a floss at your butt. That's all I need. That's all I want. Yo, out there, you best beware. This start threat aerial. Prepare for your burial. Doomsday, you better off returning yourself rather than trying to stunt. Yo, kids, you won't manage. Yo, check it. A hero ain't nothing but a sandwich. You hit it up. Shit creek. Fuckin' with this, my nigga. And I'ma tell you what my name mean. Beretta 9. ML.
Body, presenting the soul. We got Beretta 9 with the grenade in his hand. Yo, give me one more, my nigga. One more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
It ain't about to run out, is it? Check it. Yo. Yo. Hey, yo. All jokes aside, this ain't no comic view, bitch. They probably roof on say, so please excuse the music. I find myself saying, but anytime could lose it. Cause shit be on my brain and these drugs induce it. And I ain't seeking fame, it's just how I do shit. If you ain't got a clue, then how the fuck you knew shit? In love with the mic, watch how I seduce it. Talented kid, I write and arrange, produce it. You see me coming through, you best to move it, stupid. Microwave style, 2 minutes, I nukes it. Can't foil it, spoil it, no bud, no toilet. Touch it, play with it, fondle it, no toy with it. Many questions, yo, mad assumptions. In my G.O.D. do I study my lessons? Is this nigga real or is a nigga just frontin'? I don't give a fly, get the ducking. These here left blows and right blows, elbows and low blows. Can't dance, but I got flows of girls I can stand hoes. But I know if you want stories, I got those. Long ones and short ones, and yo, the list goes. Skinny ones, fat ones, white ones, black ones, Indian, Asian, Spanish one, Haitian. Don't forget about the mixed ones. They ain't confused, they just need them some directions.
It's a damn shame how these bitches be playing games.
Nah, just go to that next Killah joint. You got it right there.
There you go, see?
Salutation. Greeting, ladies and gents. Good evening. I'm your speaker for the evening. Get up out your chair, throw your hands in the air, have drinks on me. It is slow though, each dose well potent. Some particle compound into one article. The headline read, shall I proceed? Hell yeah, we'll let the turntable spin like the chrome on the G-Wag Benz. Let's begin.
Machine gun copter, ammunition, cut tree from root. Here's the blueprint given by the master for you all. Spider coming down the wall, this is called smash your guitar, break the glass behind the bar for the well-woven silk line chosen few that came to the people as the people, straight from the grain. Watch it rain, acid, the fans must be on, jumping up and down, break a leg like Joe Theismann. Texas Longhorn, Ricky Williams snatched the Heisman. Hip-hop socializing, analyzing, element of surprise for wise guys. Check. I seen many coming to name, claiming I God, fooling those that trusted. Some cats, even family, my brothers, wouldn't kill them as quick as others. Holding mine, waiting to justify, swollen eye, face bloodied up beyond stitching up. Beat one like a crackhead that ran with a G. Shoulda gave him 5 at a time. Steel door chain, locked them in from the outside and watched them. Extreme cream team supreme, woodland green, chariots of fire. Power cipher, stiper, strategize hits on clicks. Snitch made men defect, turncoat, cut tongue from throat. Yo, sway and tech, the wake up show.
Yo, this is not an 85 affair made clear when the guards get on to perform. Storms brew up, woos up, causing the crowd to self-destruct. Killer bees are stinging something while I reveal science that's heavily guarded by the culprit. Bombing your barracks with aerodynamic foreplay. Poison darts by the doorway. Minds that's laced with explosive dosage. Damaging lyrical launcher. Lunge at the youthful offender. Injure any contender. Testing a murderous master leads to disaster. master. Dynamite thoughts explode through your barrier, rips your retina. Who can withstand the astonishing, punishing stings to the sternum? Shocking the hip-hop livestock, seeking for a serum to cure them. As my brothers and I reign rebellious, changing the courses of time. Devils no longer exist, says God, cipher divine. All minds one, no question. Now check it. Perhaps we can go through lessons, or I might shot me one for testing. Coming with that lip professing. You must take the law for fool. Where's his jewel? Is he using mathematics as a tool? Tell me, destroy born's God and I came to build something so real inside you to steal. Back in the form of mist. You wishing you did the knowledge before speaking, seeking where you went wrong. And why would I bring you such physical harm? Insidious moves, baffles and eludes those who label the gods as anti-social. Choose not to apply the third eye. Stagnant they stood, surrounded and astounded by this total square mileage of violence that I brung. I've not yet begun to stung. It's the ethics, rigorous training methods of the abbot. Insight oversees the opposition, penetrates then infiltrates, breaking down your resistance, leaving competition defenseless. The track renders helpless, it suffers from multiple stab wounds, leaking sounds that's heard 93 million miles away from. Came one to represent the nation. This is the gathering of the masses that came to pay respects to the Wu-Tang Clan. As we engage in battle, the crowd now screams in rage. The hot chief Jamel Al-Reef takes the stage. Light is provided through sparks of energy from the mind that travels in rhyme form, giving sight to the blind. The dumb are mostly intrigued by the drum. Death only one can save self from. This relentless attack of the track spares none. Homicide's illegal and death is a penalty. One justifies the homicide when he dies, and his only iniquity. It's the master of the mantis rapture coming at ya. We have an APB on an MC killer. Looks like the work of a master. Evidence indicates that his stature merciless like a terrorist, hard to capture. The flow changes like a chameleon, blends like a friend and stabs you like a dagger. This technique attacks the immune system, disguised like a lie, paralyzing the victim. You scream as it enters your bloodstream, erupts your brain from the pain these thoughts contain. Moving on a nigga with the speed of a centipede and injure any hooking contender. Tribute to the entity, a spark that surges through the undergrowth, overwhelming the populace from the entry. The Wu-Tang dynasty has emerged from this elite fleet. I was appointed to strike the vital nerve. Mouths tend to utter and speak empty words. Observe the magnetic attraction as we breed seeds of MCs that these fake ass industry niggas feed off. Cold mic tend to squeeze off and spray an array of shots that travel downwind. Disrespect my horrific pen as I send the minds of the weak to rise and take power. Eiffel towering over the land as we stand, expanding our cream of dollar to every grain of sand. Let the mind use the physical as planned. Thoughts I contain in the trenches of the brain ignite, blowing the mic to Arabian heights as I recite this medley. Niggas couldn't fuck with the deadly grounds I hold down. Classical gangland style. Shots hit the ceiling, panic and confusion echoes through the building, continuing to build. I strive for perfection, driven by the will to live. Glocks I hold, shots I give, while searchers and rescue teams look for means of survival. And who's liable for this harrowing experience? You scream for the extreme, fame for the capital regimes of the Wu-Tang Academy. To fuck up your anatomy with assault and battery. A voice cries from the wilderness of the north, a representation of the families that lost one, of victims of incarceration or other divisions of the family structure. Youths are injected with serums that leads to skin irritations. Babies being born with disfigurations, experimentations on their faces, their bare word reaction of mothers that carry the pain of bloodstained streets where sisters mourn and wail. Good brothers been slain from hells of gunfire. It lightly begins to rain, screams of terror hidden by the passing trains. This can't be little Hussein. His uncle cries as he drops to his nephew's side holding his cane. Just give me your name on who has inflicted this dirty sickness, this dirty sickness, this dirty sickness.
Yo, check it out, yo. I don't know where this begin, but it's begun. Niggas began to be gone. As I ascend, expand, extend to the point of no return. Even death is a lesson to learn. Only the dissatisfied could bring change, rearrange and maintain the solar system. Disappear but still be here, no one will miss them. Mind detect mine over 100% of the time. Actual fact, show and prove that that has not been proven. 85% live in illusion, but I see the unseen and speak the unspoken. Fertilize your ear and plant the understanding. I never sweat the center of the cipher. I'd rather be on that.
Bear witness to the God. Young thugs don't live long. Life is a game of chess.
Knowledge of walk a righteous path.
Yo, East New York on Schenectady, this kid lived next to me. Manifests his ecstasy to specialize in treachery, subliminal. Wanted to be nothing but a criminal with braids. And Dula dropped out the 8th grade, trading rocks, mad obsessed with guns. Was infected, should've came amongst guards, could've been resurrected. He expected to live long, holding a Glock. Never opened up his lessons, never took us a lot. Robbed a liquor store, the old man knew him since 4. Still slapped him with the toast on some empty the cash drawer. Watching news flicks, what the kid did, getting famous. Found the owner in the back of the store, left brainless. The stainless was found in the sewer 3 blocks down. The D's flashed his picture around the polo grounds. Kicked his grandmother door down with a search warrant. Handcuffed him in his boxes, tipped off by an informant. He was sentenced to 32. Why equality, Allah rules. He should've listened to his jewels. Young thugs don't live long. Life is a game of chess, and you playing the pawn. I be king. Listen to the knowledge I born. Walk a righteous path, you can never go wrong. Word up, young thugs don't live long. Life is a game of chess, and you playing the pawn. I be king. Listen to the knowledge I born. Walk a righteous path, you can never go wrong.
This be the dance of the drunken niggas found slunking over the steering wheel with one to his head black. On roads he drove his next destination of home. Suddenly sniped from civilization. Reality starts to set in. His last thoughts flashing back to where it all begun. A shorty who slung for a militant soldier who made his bones by holding down the corner. Never turned snitch even though he was pinched by the feds. He held his weight and did a bid, a 2 to 6, as he slid from his cell with a vengeance. He held in his heart like an ice pick. Physically he's cut the fuck up, trying to maintain, but his head is fucked up. To learn the word on the streets confirmed of his sickness, a murdering a family member that turned informant. He signed this annulment of silence. He broke it. This led to bloodshed and violence. Be king. Listen to the knowledge I born. Walk a righteous path. You can never go wrong, kid.
Got Masta Killa on the mic, you on the beatbox, huh? This is real hip-hop, oh ha. This is real hip-hop, This is real hip-hop. You got Masta Killa microphone, you beatbox, now check it. I like sex and butt naked. Anybody know I love it butt naked. This is on the head, my flow is so deadly. You know me from the deadly medley. My Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. And y'all niggas know my shit is legit. Cause I'm a real MC like niggas wanna be. And you know who Jamel Reem G.O.D. Put the motherfucker head to the T.O.P. I can't stop my motherfucking Glock pop. My nigga motherfuckers on fucking beatbox. I'm in motherfucking El Paso. And you know how we motherfucking go. I motherfucking flow from the motherfucking dome. I punch like a motherfucking river full of quicker. I pulse man trigger. Check it. You know I'm motherfucking sexy. Hey, you know I'm fucking wrecking. Off the head, he's trying to get that shit together. I do this in any kind of weather. Baby, is you motherfucking ready? Well, let's get the motherfucking crowd going crazy. Come on. To a nigga named Trigger, bad new boy from the lands of Jamaica. Business to venture to the US to receive the gold that he couldn't achieve in his country. Even though he's so mad, we for the next man who was the guard of the clan. Niggas acting like they got my block locked, like I can't slip drug raps and eat food. Nigga, I'm the rudest. Bad boy stepping guns open, shots last out like a violent explosion. Like the Killah who tried to stop my production. Intervene the scene, this come up by me. None of that black east of your gun. Niggas out store for politics, the war. Memories of injuries, wounds and burns. Walking through the streets of the D9 stand firm, cause I know mine was things I can hold mine down without a doubt. Niggas who fought, you stuck out. Justice must be won, there's no escape. A state can't be reformed, so I wait. Coming in the name to proclaim your flame for protection. These don't know no fucking lessons. Come on, baby.
We gonna get into some new shit. I don't know if y'all heard that I got my motherfucking shit dropping called No Set Date. You hear me? And this next single I got coming up is called Digi Warfare. It's taking shit back to the original, the breakers, the freestylers, the DJ, the turntables, the motherfucking basic hip hop. What I would love to do right now, I would love to get a few niggas on stage that's ill on some breaking shit. You know what I'm saying? So we can really rock this shit for y'all. You know what I mean? Can I get a few niggas on stage that's ill on some breaking shit? Rock steady. You know what I mean? Gotta have the rock steady. You know that. 6 years. Yeah. Hey yo, we gon' get straight into this one time. Jam Master J on the ones and twos. Peace of love, math. Red alert, Molly Mall. Kick and breathe, Funk Master flexing up. Mr. C, I can't forget. He's swaying tech, Jazz Joyce, DJ Crew, Coco Chanel. I read Jamel, I rock the mic well. Rock the mic well. Come on. Hip hop makes some noise. Oh, come on. Oh, look, on and on, to the break of dawn. Hot butter O, say what the pop go. Pick up to the left, right, we rock 'em to the right. Oh, Brooklyn in the house, you wanna fight. Roll to the skate, you rock. Hit to the hop and you don't dare stop. Come alive, what the people give you what you got. I guess by now you can take a hunch. Fine, I'm a nice member of the bunch. Rockin' old school ain't shit to me. MC's OG of the shit that I wrote. If it's slow, I'm thinking, thinking of bonus. See, I wanna ride your ass up to the morning. In your morning, smell I read, hot tea, coming out of East Virginia. Ladies in the house with the clock and cheese. Sipping on drink, Long Island iced teas. Look a real good from your toe to your weave. Gonna back up and right let you breathe. Brothers in the house if you know you're live. Niggas in their face and carry the best style. Handling this skill, let the shit get real. Let's move a pie and stack the mill. Activation, mind starts sparking. Crossing elevation, skywalking. David Johnson, my woo niggas stomping. Down the boulevard, shaking your ass, you feel one yourself. I'm type slick with a nice time. Let me see you working, see when it's sucking in public. Oh, dirty bastard can use it on the business. You with us? Cadillac wheels on the piano squeal. Keep it on the wheel for the master kill. Giving you something that y'all can feel. See you with the hood and your fan from children. Step through the back of the building, he concealed it. Stands in your place. Right bomb the elevator. Contemplating Scarface, here taste. Place in the dome and race. To the base in your face like bass, baby doll. Oh! Come on. Yeah.
Only at Rock Steady, yo.
Yeah. Show some only at motherfucking Rock Steady. You hear me? Word. Hey yo, check this out. I'ma kick one motherfucking freestyle from that No Set Date for y'all one time. Yeah. Before I get the fuck out of here. My nigga Killer Priest over there. Check this out. One time for your motherfucking mind. Check it. They said that God wasn't never coming home. My grandma in a nursing home. My mind is blown. I'm known to walk alone, but my fam is deep. We all love heat. These military armed Marines, submachine gun, legend of Brooklyn, master craftsman. They said, Lord, when you dropping? I said, no set date. Thought premeditated, well calculated. The air's been tested. The people can't wait. So we agreed to send one to swim from lost to found. See, truth be the life preserve. He can't
can't drown. Drunk with the victory, the Wu Cavalry. Bomb the seminar, the last hoorah for chivalry. Classical Yo-Yo Ma. I'm laced in a bulletproof fabric, crafted and mastered in space. What better place of birth than the earth when a star's born? But the path is narrow. I float across the Verrazano, stack my ammo, hit 'em while we got the muscle. In the streets, we hustle for survival. Now watch the guard reign, build me a brain, supported with a physical frame. Imperial Asiatic material, scratch the cereal, I'm smoking them. He gonna need a miracle, prepare for burial, it's time. 45 to your head, drop your 9. We came to collect, the debt is overdue. Yo, set the connect with deck, we pushing through. Yvette with the red Corvette from Lafayette. Pussy stay wet, and she hold tech. Respect to the 6, she sexy with a switch. Gun never stick with Vixens for the brick. Shots lick. Peace, my niggas. Look out for that no said date. Masta Killa.
Yeah.
Wu-Tang Clan.
Yeah.
Put the W's on,